All right, Abby. Give me a firework tour.
Well, I'm doing it in a different way this year. I'm doing it by price.
Oh.
So I figure the more expensive they are, the better they're gonna be, right?
Sure.
So that's how.
Or they're scamming you.
That could be too.
Ooh.
We're getting close to the...
If you hit
Let's go in the back. Here we go.
I mean, I think
What? You want to show what you did?
Okay, I don't want to like accidentally eat one. That'd be disgusting.
What did you catch in there? Oh, he's doing it in real time.
No! Get back here. I got him.
Chaos. If it moves, we're toast. Is it really?
It's like flashing.
I mean,
You don't do it at once. But they're all in because it's fun. It's just playing together.
I hope not.
What happened? What happened?
They could be coming here.
What happened?
I think it was an omen.
I think the neighbors are stirring. I saw them.
I
Yeah, at least they know we're doing it.
was running. I ran into a platform and I ate him on accident.
You ate it? It went down your throat? You ate it?
No.
Did you actually?
No.
He just ate a firefly.
No.
He ate a firefly.
Nuh-uh.
Did you swallow it?
Nuh-uh.
Like, are you okay?
Uh-huh.
Do you want water?
Nuh-uh.
Maybe you should slow down so you don't eat another one. Unless they're healthy.
They have good protein.
I'm afraid.
There's one in here.
Oh my god! 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 This is like a really bad idea.
Wow, get out there. That's crazy.
I feel like we should stop using those.
Yabba dabba do.
Shooting at the fence. This got roasted.
Oh my god. Well, this is some interesting content. It's gonna be taken down though.
Yeah, it will. All that stuff.
I'm gonna have to put it on a hard drive on my computer so I don't lose it. The entire Taylor Swift concert gone.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Lucy, would it be so epic if we just went over that way, felt this way?
Yeah,
No.
that'd be so
No,
epic.
because that would hurt.
All of our limbs would fall in every direction like a party top. Like a confetti explosion. That's this limb.
That was demented.
Uh-huh.
Say that again.
That was funny. That was humorous.
I think I'm gonna stand right here.
We should stand behind the house.
Maybe.
I'm gonna act like one of the girls think they're cool. Y'all, we better get behind the house. Y'all, I'm scared.
Is that all?
Y'all better shut up.
Okay.
my god.
I'm the yacht. Yes, hit Jerry.
I'm the cat.
Oh no, are you doing the same one again?
Oh my god, look,
I hope not.
he's dancing.
I liked that one. Oh, I see Firefly. Did you get on video when they went that way?
Okay.
No, did you get on video when they went that way?
Yeah, I did.
Can I see?
Good.
Like a 90-degree angle, like
Because you're a
the
Rizzler.
firefly keeps trying to
You're
get
a
out of my
Rizzler?
throat.
It's still in there. You should drink some water, man.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
What is it though? What is that?
That red light up there, what the hell's that?
Is it the police?
No. What is that?
Is it the taxi attack helicopter?
I don't know. It disappeared. No, it's like all. I got it on video.
That was really weird.
I didn't like that. I didn't like that.
What was it? It was so weird. Because it was like going so slow.
What? The UFO is back. What is that? What kind of a firework is that though? Oh! Oh, it must be a drone that records the fireworks. It's falling though.
Guys, it was going up, and then the FBI was like 38 fire, and a firework went up, it hit the UFO, and now it's falling down.
Yeah.
E.T. and Chewbacca is gonna get caught by the FBI.
This video will be worth millions.
Yeah, because we got a clip of the UFO. Uh-huh.
You almost made me trip in a hole. Hear stuff all over. Oh, of course, now that I'm recording, it's
We
not
should do the
happening.
Fortnite gritty on the train tracks.
Heck to the no. Whoa.
Oh no!
Oh, we can't see him anymore. Do the gritty. Okay. That's amazing.
Bye, Rizzlers. Make sure to tune in next time to see the most rizzful yachts. And don't fan attacks, the yachts will also be skibbity.
You heard it from a Gen Alpha. You heard it here.
It's Gen Z.
You're not Gen Z. Are you?
I want to be.
Gen Zs don't eat fireflies.
Yes, I do.
Oh god.
perfect face, not to mention your perfect body, elegance, the way you move while you're dancing. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy, angel boy.
Get away into the car. Whoa!
Angel boy. Late nights, calls on the phone. I want late nights, keep it down on the low. Be fast, but I'm taking it slow. Yeah, I'm taking it slow. Yeah, I'm taking it slow. Stop, stare. Want your body. Hot damn.
Ooh, you see that?
Oh yeah.
Ooh.